Hi, I'm Rob Cruz, President and founder of Cruz & Associates. At Cruz & Associates, we like to give all of our clients some tax tips. And a tax tip that we've been talking about a lot the last couple of years is the Nebraska Microenterprise tax credit. That's where a small business in Nebraska with less than 5 or fewer full-time equivalent employees can receive up to a $10,000 tax credit for just investing in their business within Nebraska. For example, I was talking with a client just the other day that we have applied for and got approved a $10,000 tax credit. And initially in the beginning he told me that he didn't qualify because he had 8 employees. But I said, let's sit down and look at the numbers. So we sat down and looked at the numbers, and we realized that 2 of those 8 employees were him and his wife. Owners don't count in this calculation. And 2 of the other employees were both part-time. So when we crunched the numbers all together, we found out he had less than 5 full-time equivalent employees, so therefore qualified to apply and receive this credit. For those businesses that do apply and receive the credit, you can get up to a $10,000 credit for spending up to $50,000 in your Nebraska business. That $50,000 could be for anything. It could be a lease on a new location. It could be remodeling of that new location. It could be a building you purchased, a business that you bought. It could be a new employee that you hired, or a piece of equipment or several pieces of equipment that you bought. The combinations are endless. The most important thing to remember is it's a 20% tax credit. And so for the clients that spend $50,000, you get a $10,000 credit. But on chance that you spend less than $50,000, you still get, and let's say you only spend $40,000, you still get 20% of that $40,000, so you still end up with an $8,000 tax credit. Sorry. And last year, Cruz & Associates applied for and received credits on over $40,000 using it for our clients using this program.